Melek, do you want to have a bath? Let's go now. Good baby, you're a good boy. Good boy. Everyone's gonna have a bath. Even Daisy Mommy's gonna have a bath. Elsie's gonna have a bath. Melik and Bebek will have a bath. All the family's gonna have a bath. Oh, yes, come on. So good. Good boy. We're nearly done. Nearly. Rascally. Rascally. Come on, good boy. Good. We're nearly done, baby. Good boy. Nearly done. Let's dry you now, Rascal. Good boy. Get out. Good boy. Oh, my gorgeous baby. You're nice and clean now. You're so beautiful. Good boy. Come on, Daisy Mommy. Your time to have a bath now. Good girl. Come on. Come on, Daisy Mommy. Bath time for Daisy Mommy. No. Elsie had a bath yesterday, so you all are having a bath today. Yeah, everyone had a bath. No crying. No treats then. No treats then for Daisy Mommy and our babies. No, Daisy. Good girl. We're nearly done. Just 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes more, my baby. Let's just clear on this beard. Daisy, come on. Daisy, good girl. We're nearly done. Daisy, we're nearly done. Come on, good girl. Nearly we're done. We're nearly done. Good girl, Daisy. Good, Daisy Mommy. There you go. Daisy Mommy's nice and clean. Come on, Daisy Mommy. We need to dry you now. Come on, let's dry you now. Good, God. Daisy, come on, let's dry you. Oh, my baby, my big baby. So pretty. So good, girl. Oh, my baby, nearly done, nearly done. Right, Daisy? Good girl. Come, let's have a cuddle now. Good girl. it's your time to have a bath now, naughty girl. I know you're gonna run away. You can run. It's your turn to have a bath now. Good girl. Baby. Come on, baby. Baby is so good. You just like to run away. Come on, baby, let's do your beard. Let's do your tail. Epic! Epic, you're so good. You just like to run away, don't you? Right, come on, baby. Let's dry you now. Ow. Good girl. My pretty girl. You're so pretty. Let's show the world how pretty you are, baby. Like, share and subscribe to Sidra's Lifestyle.